Story podcast. I'm Vidushi Daga. And with me today we have Krutart sir. Hello, sir. I would like you to introduce yourself.
Thank you, ma'am. It's a pleasure to connect with skill thing because uh, our country, India, was leading the whole world in ancient time due to its skills only. In one Vedas, they have mentioned that etad desha prasutasya sakshad agra janmani svesve charitrena shiksharana prithivya sarvamana svesve charitrena. Each one of India, each citizen of India what teaching to other part of the earth by its skills only. So the skill is the base of India. The knowledge is the name of the India, but the base of India was skill. How to live the life in a comfortable way, and that is the skill. That was the India. And on this basis only, I am working in Little Flower School Dahod, which is situated in Gujarat. Thank you, ma'am.
Oh, wow. In a small city, Dahod, आप इतना बड़ा revolution ला रहे हैं. Hats off to you, sir. Really nice. Sir, Little Flower School, Krutart sir, थोड़ा आप अपने बारे में बताएं.
Ma'am, as a principal, I always believe that it's our responsibility, whichever we are feeling that it should be change in world. We are here to teach them academic. That is the first part. And that we have to do. But with that, if we can do something to change their mind, change their body, and with the touch of a heart, I think that will be the 21st century's principal responsibility. And I try my best with my team to perform it.
बहुत अच्छा. Sir, एक last चीज. After 10 years from now, आपको क्या लगता है? Like, what do you think that what is surprising that can come up with our children? जैसे जो बच्चे today they are in first standard, and then when they go to 10th standard, आपके हिसाब से what do you think? What is the kind of the kind of skill, entrepreneurship या क्या change आ सकता है बच्चों में? Something.
हम सब साथ में मिलके सोचे तो right now is the age of technology. We cannot deny it. है ना? Now, digital babies are about the digital baby you are talking. If I speak, clear? Okay, what will be happen? But if we think with a serious note, ma'am, they will get all the facilities on a one click.
Wow.
है ना? That is the present era situation. After 10 years, it may happen if they want water in a clean air, we all know they automatically they will click and it will be delivered by a deliver boy to at home. But the most important thing as an educator, we need to think that they will miss the people. I repeat my sentence, they will miss the people. Because if I give a very small example, आज से 10 साल पहले ऐसा था कि अगर हम कहीं ट्रेन से बॉम्बे जाना है तो हम दो लोगों को पूछेंगे मैम कि द ट्रेन इज कमिंग ऑन राइट टाइम और नॉट. It was a very small thing, but it was the connection between the two people.
Nice.
It was the bonding, ma'am. But right now, I don't need any person. I click on railway application and I will see on the same time also.
I agree.
So people are missing the people. And we are here to connect with the people. हमको भगवान ने ह्यूमन बनाया है क्योंकि हम दूसरे ह्यूमन से कनेक्ट हो पाए. Yes, facility is our right, but our duty is to connect with the other people. If I speak this thing in a skill manner, after 10 years, they have to learn the collaboration and they have to learn how to connect with them. And that is nothing but a communication. And so after 10 years, if anyone become a counselor, the question which you ask, counselor, और अगर हम कहे कि आज के जमाने में जैसा ऐसा है शादी.com, instead of that, if they will make friends.com, it will be the best opportunity for them in a 22nd century.
Wow, एकदम सही बात. I believe totally in this कि कनेक्शन काफी मिसिंग है आजकल बच्चों में, एंड कम्युनिकेशन दैट यू सेड, वेरी वेरी राइटली सेड सर। और इवन की एक बॉन्डिंग, जैसे आपने इतना सिंपल एग्जांपल दिया कि अगर ट्रेन की टिकट भी बुक करना हो तो एक बॉन्ड बन जाता है, या फिर ट्रेन जाने वाली है, टाइम पे है नहीं है, गूगल मैप पे हम चल रहे हैं, पहले हम रोक रोक के रास्ता पूछ लेते थे, अब तो चलो मैप
Yeah,
से पहुंच जाते हैं। सो आई 100% अग्री विथ यू। और थैंक यू सो मच कृतार्थ सर, बहुत बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा लगा, एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट यू नो आई कनेक्टेड विथ यू टुडे, बिकॉज सबसे पहले जो आपने श्लोक से शुरुआत किया ना, वो बहुत इम्पैक्टफुल था, और ऐसा लग रहा था कि वाओ, यू नो, लाइक दिस इज द काइंड ऑफ एजुकेशनिस्ट जो इतने महान है, जो इतना बिलीव करते हैं, वो यू नो वो है हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए। सो उसके लिए रियली थैंक यू कृतार्थ सर, रियली आई एम वेरी वेरी हैप्पी आज अपनी बात हुई, एंड वी आर वेटिंग फॉर यू ईगरली। 1 फरवरी
sure.
सैटरडे है, आइए सुबह सुबह, और एकदम जितना एंथुजियाज्म आपने दिखाया, आप बाकी लोगों में भी ये एंथुजियाज्म जरूर बांट दीजिएगा।
Sure, ma'am.
रियली मुझे
Sure,
बहुत
sure.
अच्छा लगा आपसे
Thank
मिलके,
you, ma'am.
है
Thank
ना?
you. Have a nice
एंड
day. Have a
देन
nice.
सी यू इन मुंबई। चलिए,
Thank you.
प्रणाम
Thank you.
प्रणाम सर,
Thank you.
जय श्री
Thank you.
कृष्णा।
Thank you. Yes.